Hello everyone, Ricardo Nava here with your mortgage market update for the week of March 11, 2019. And guess what? Rates have dropped again. So right now it is cheap to borrow money. So if you were looking to buy or you were on the fence about whether or not you should pull money out of your equity to do the home repairs that you've been wanting to, upgrades, or to use as a down payment for another home, right now is the perfect time to do it. We have no idea what's going to happen to rates later on in the year, but right now they look amazing. And you know, some of the things that are contributing to the way rates and pricing are right now, for example, is the inflation data that came out this week. Inflation came out a little bit weaker than what they expected. So inflation, when it's rising steadily, is a threat to mortgage bonds, which affects interest rates and pricing. Right now it doesn't seem to be a threat, which is why we saw a recent drop again in interest rates. So that's good for us, right? Another thing to look out for in the news is actually this whole Brexit thing that's happening. They have not reached a deal yet, and they do have until the end of the month to reach a deal. And what happens if they are not able to reach a deal is that investors overseas will begin to look for safer options. So they'll probably begin to move their money into mortgage bonds, which is safer for them, which means it's good for us because more money in mortgage bonds means that mortgage bonds are doing better, which means that interest rates can get lower and pricing can get lower as well. But if the opposite happens and they do reach a deal, that might not have any effect whatsoever on interest rates or pricing. Just something to look out for. But other than that, there's nothing really else to look out for now. It's been pretty quiet these last couple of weeks. Rates have been looking absolutely amazing. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. As you continue to listen to these videos, you'll probably begin to pick up on certain things that you know can affect interest rates and pricing. You'll begin to see a pattern on what does affect and what doesn't affect. And over time, you just become a lot more informed when it comes to rates and pricing and the actual market going on. So I hope you are getting some value out of these videos. I appreciate so much that you were taking the time to watch this and listen. So thank you so much for being here. I'll see you guys again next week. Have an amazing day and God bless. Bye.